Okay.
Okay.
So the dots indicate the wear on the blade?
Well, no, the dots say, okay, this is your first spot.
Oh, okay.
So then that has 15.
Gotcha.
Then after the 15, because normally guys would put a piece of tape on something and mark it like how many cuts,
Okay.
how many usages, okay? And then after that, then they'll go to number 2. Then after that, number three. And then after number 3, you discard them and get brand new ones.
Gotcha.
So we're just gonna put brand new ones on it now, and we'll start off at number 1. Okay.
The last 3 rounds.
So basically, each one of these new blades has 45 cuts. So 15, 30, 45, yeah. Come on.
You're just supposed to keep track pretty much.
Yep. Very easy to keep track. Make sure it's nice and tight, because you don't want them to be vibrating and come out. A loose blade is not a good blade. So number 1, we'll turn that, stick that in there. Okay, perfect. So now we got some new blades on that. So now what we'll do is we'll move this as forward as possible to right about there. We'll lock this down. We'll move this back over. Clean off my surfaces. Kind of center this thing up. Lock that down. Now we're good to go. We'll take it all the way in. And I'll kind of get close.